So hey guys, once again, welcome back. This is me Pranay, and you're watching Technomaster. So guys, once again we are back with another video of a unique, very unique, I can say, device. So today we have this Snexian, what we say, Rock Royal with us. As you can see the box, this is a review unit, so it is already opened, obviously. And so today we have this device with us. So you can see the device image in the box. We have Snexian logo. So this is a watch shaped, circular shaped flip device. So this is very interesting. I have never seen this type of device. So this today we have this device, and it says Rock Royal, as I said. So again this side also. So and we have some information here, like model number and other things, the box contents. So it is made in India. Nice to see. And at the back you can see we have a 1.8-inch dual display we have, so that is a really good thing. And we have one 0.8 MP camera, and we cannot expect anything apart from 0.8 MP in these devices. And we have wireless FM support, MP3 player, and flashlight, MTK chip, MediaTek chipset we have. And we have dual standby and we have 1500 mAh battery, and other basic things, feature phone things. So let's go ahead and unbox this device. So the app is already off. So yeah, you can see the device at the top. So let me just keep this device aside, and we will look at the box contents. So inside the box we have yeah, we have this power adapter. This is basic power adapter with type C port, and this is not USB detachable. And yeah, so let me just keep these things inside the box. Okay, so now here's the device. As you can see guys, yeah, so as you can see the device, we have this beautiful watch look like design. So it is looking very good. I have never seen this kind of design. And you can see it is looking like a compass. Yeah. And this is a flip device, as I said. So as you can see, so here's the phone face. So you can see Snexian Rock sticker, and we have this basic keyboard. And it is not of that high quality, and we cannot expect a high quality keyboard in these kind of devices. And let me just peel this. Okay, so you can see Snexian bold again written here, and we have earpiece. And let me just move this as well. Okay, wow. So as you can see guys, this is the front displays, and it is looking like a compass. And is this is very unique design guys. I have never seen this kind of device. So you can see at the back we have this glossy black color, and very interesting design guys. So let's power this. I hope it has some battery left. Yeah. So let me just adjust the display for you. So now I hope you can see the display. So we have basic feature phone things, but I can say guys, keyboard quality is very bad. But again, as I said, we cannot expect more. So here we go with the call logs and messages, contacts, multimedia applications. So in applications, let's see what we have: internet, Bluetooth dialer, and other basic things. And we have torch. So let me just put it on. Wow, very interesting location, guys. You can see the torch location. Just amazing, guys. So let me just off, and so we have basic feature phone things, and let me show you the main thing, which is this. So you can see this beautiful LED is glowing here, and we have this front display, guys. This is just amazing. Believe me, this design is just killer design, guys. I have never seen these kind of design, and it you can see the beauty of this device, the glossiness and the front display, which is looking really awesome. So yeah, and we have this gold, beautiful gold color, which is making this device more and more attractive. So, and we don't have any kind of extra features in this device, but device itself is extra feature, I can say. So let me show you the camera also, but it is not interesting obviously, but it is my duty to show the camera. So as you can see, guys, this camera is very bad as expected, but we cannot expect, guys, anything from this beautiful, apart from this beautiful design. Overall, guys, I can say this is a device which I think you have never seen in your life. This has this very unique kind of design, circular design, and this is very handy. Again, you can see the size. This is very small, just 1.8-inch display, and which is also in flip. If you want to use this device with the this roller, so you can do the this thing also, and you don't have to press any key here. So you just have to unlock the device first, and then you can use the device with this roller, as you can see. And you have this button also, so you can just select and profiles, and you can just use this as a multifunction button, as I said. And this is very useful, guys. So we have this amazing feature, guys. So this is a tremendous device. I think I have never seen this kind of device, so this is a must buy. I think you can definitely go ahead with this device. So that's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, so drop them in the comment section below, guys, and make sure that you like this video. Subscribe to this channel to get more such videos in the future. Subscribe for this device, guys. So thanks for watching again.